Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to sign up for Seller Central. Let's get into it. So this video is about how to sign up for Amazon Seller Central. So first of all, you have to go to the website, which is sellercentral.amazon.com. Here you will find two options, just like many other websites. You can either log in or sign up. You may notice that green box on their landing page. Currently, Amazon is offering pretty big incentives to new sellers. Around $50,000 in savings for your first $1 million in sales. For the sake of this video, let's click on Sign Up. After clicking on Sign Up, you will find another option which says Create Your Amazon Account. Just click on that button, and then you will provide your name, email, choose your password, and then we will click on Continue. After doing that, there are plenty of things that you still have to do to completely create your account. Like after choosing your email and password, then you have 5 steps to register. You can read this document by going to sell.amazon.com/sell/registration-guide. So in the step 1, you have to provide your business information. Then you have to provide your seller information, like your full legal name, country of citizenship, where you were born, and your date of birth, as well as your residential address. Then step 3 is where you provide billing information, and step 4 is where you will set the store and product information, like choose your store name. The store name is what will be visible to customers on each of your offers and your public seller profile. Then in step 5, you have to verify your identity by providing government-issued ID, proof of residential business address, dated within the last 180 days, like a bank or credit card statement. These are all the steps which we need to complete in order to create an Amazon seller account. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.